Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 11, Lesson 6. It says solve division problems using visual models and equations. Hopefully by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve problems involving the division of fractions and whole numbers. So if you look at this, step it out. It says Rohan and Sim are building a terrarium. The first layer is made of sand. They use a scoop to add sand to make the first layer. Rohan has 1/3 cup scoop, and Sim has 1/4 cup scoop. Write and solve an equation to model the number of scoops needed to fill the first layer if only Rohan's scoop is used. How many scoops are needed? Well, so what this question is asking is to see how many 1/3 cups go into 3 cups of sand. So we're going to do 3 divided by 1/3 equals R, and then we're going to solve it. And it would become, if we write our related multiplication sentence, 3 times 3 equals 9. So 9 scoops. Then it says write and solve an equation to model the number of scoops needed to fill the first layer if only Sim's scoop is used. How many scoops are needed? So that means we would be doing 3 divided by 1/4 equals S. So we would do 3 in our inverse, or our related multiplication sentence. The reciprocal would be 3 times 4 equals 12. So that would be 12 scoops. So then it says, if Rohan's scoop and Sim's scoop are used to add sand in whole number cup amounts, what are possible numbers of scoops that each would add? So we could do this, a couple different ways. If, let's say, Rohan did one of the cups, that would be 3 scoops. So that would be Rohan. And then that means that there'd be 2 cups, so you would have 8 scoops for Sim. Would be one possibility. Another possibility would be if Rohan did 2 cups, so that would be 6 scoops and 4 scoops for Sim. So it says use equations, visual models, or words to justify my answer in part C. So basically you would have, so for the first one we'd have 1 divided by 1/3 equals R. So we'd have 1 times 3 equals 3. And then we would add that to the 2 divided by 1/4 equals S. So we'd have 2 times 4 equals 8. And then the same thing if we did 2 divided by 1/3 equals R. We'd have 2 times 3 equals 6. And then we would do 1 divided by 1/4 equals S. 1 times 4 equals 4. Okay. So then step it out. Number 2. The next layer in the terrarium is made using all of the pebbles in Rohan's bag. If he uses 5 scoops, how many kilograms of pebbles does the scoop hold? Write a division equation to model the situation. So, if we have that this whole thing is 1/4 of a kilogram, so we're going to do 1/4 divided by its 5 scoops equals P. So it says use a visual model to solve the problem. So we're going to start with a rectangle. I'm going to divide it into fourths. And then I'm going to divide it into fifths. So the quotient, in the context of this story, is that the scoop holds 1/20th kilogram of pebbles. And I do want to still show the related multiplications in it. So it'd be 1/4 times the reciprocal of 5, which is 1/5, equals 1/20th. So that is all for today's lesson. Hopefully you're now able to solve problems involving the division of fractions and whole numbers. And remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.